Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to change the taskbar color in your Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, if you want to change the color of the taskbar on your Windows 10, simply follow my steps. Let's go to my PC. Let's go to my laptop. First of all guys, here in the button, right click in the taskbar, then select taskbar settings as you can see. Okay, it's so simple. Okay, here guys in the left side, select colors as you can see. Okay, here guys, scroll down and turn off the transparency effects. Okay, then also scroll down, check the box Start Taskbar and Action Center and the Show Accent Color on the following surface. Okay, here guys, now we can select or choose any color we want. Let's say we want to select this one or the green one. As you can see here, all will be green. So simple. Okay, pink one. It's great. Okay. Also guys, here the color again, we have the second box, title bars and window borders. When we check this box, all title bars will be also colored. As an example, let's say we want to open a TXT file, notepad. As you can see here, the title bars also colored. Also we can uncheck it. That's it guys, it's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you.